The search for life beyond Earth has always captured humanity's imagination. For centuries, we have looked up at the stars and wondered if we are alone. Planets like Mars and moons like Europa have been prime targets in this search. But in recent years, our attention has shifted to a surprising new candidate: Venus. Venus is often called Earth's sister planet because of its similar size and structure. However, the two planets could not be more different. Venus is one of the most hostile places in our solar system. Its surface temperature is around 475 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The atmospheric pressure is 90 times that of Earth, crushing anything that reaches the surface. On top of that, it's thick. Clouds of carbon dioxide trap heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. Despite these harsh conditions, Venus's atmosphere holds a potential mystery. At about 50 to 60 kilometers above the surface, there is a zone with milder conditions. In this region, called the habitable zone, the temperature ranges from 30 to 70 degrees Celsius. The pressure is similar to what we experience here on Earth. This has led scientists to speculate that life could exist in the Venusian clouds. Rocket Lab, a private aerospace company, is taking on the challenge of exploring Venus. In collaboration with MIT, they are launching the Venus Life Finder mission. This will be the first privately funded mission to Venus. The goal of the mission is to search for organic molecules in Venus's atmosphere. Organic molecules are the building blocks of life and could indicate the presence of microorganisms. The mission is scheduled for launch in late 2024 using Rocket Lab's Electron rocket. The spacecraft, called Photon, will carry a small scientific probe to Venus. By mid-2025, the probe will reach Venus's atmosphere and begin its work. This is where things get interesting. The probe will only have about 5 minutes to collect data before it is destroyed. During this short window, it will sample Venus's clouds to look for organic material. The probe is equipped with a fluorescent nephelometer, a cutting-edge scientific instrument. The nephelometer works by emitting ultraviolet light onto atmospheric particles. When UV light interacts with organic molecules, they emit fluorescence. By measuring this fluorescence, the instrument can detect the presence of organic compounds. If organic molecules are found, it would be a major step toward understanding Venus's potential for life. The inspiration for this mission came from a groundbreaking discovery in 2020. Scientists detected phosphine gas in Venus's atmosphere. Phosphine is a molecule that on Earth is typically associated with microbial life. Its presence on Venus sparked intense debates and renewed interest in the planet. Some scientists argue that phosphine could be a biosignature, a sign of life. Others believe it could have non-biological origins, such as volcanic activity. The Venus Life Finder mission aims to shed light on this mystery. The mission focuses on Venus's habitable zone, where conditions are more Earth-like. In this region, the clouds are filled with droplets of sulfuric acid. While this may sound inhospitable, life on Earth has been found in similar environments. Extremophiles, or microorganisms that thrive in extreme conditions, survive in acidic hot springs and volcanic vents. It is possible that similar microbes could exist in Venus's acidic clouds. Rocket Lab's mission is not just about Venus. It's about the future of space exploration. Traditionally, space missions have been dominated by government agencies, like NASA and ESA. These missions often require billions of dollars and decades of planning. Rocket Lab is changing the game with its cost-effective and agile approach. Their Electron rocket and Photon spacecraft are smaller and more affordable. This makes deep space missions accessible to private companies. For the first time, if successful, the Venus Life Finder mission could inspire a new wave of private space exploration. Other companies might follow suit, targeting planets and moons across the solar system. This could accelerate the pace of discovery and open up new opportunities for scientific research. The implications of finding life on Venus are profound. If microbial life exists in Venus's clouds, it would challenge everything we know about life's resilience. It would show that life can survive in environments vastly different from Earth's. This would expand the possibilities of where life could exist in the universe. Even if the mission doesn't find life, it will still provide valuable insights. The data collected will help scientists understand the chemical processes in Venus's atmosphere. It will also improve our knowledge of the planet's climate and history. This information could even have applications for studying Earth's climate and the effects of greenhouse gases. Rocket Lab's mission also raises important ethical questions. What are our responsibilities when exploring other planets? If life is found on Venus, how should we proceed? These are questions that humanity will need to grapple with as we continue our exploration of space. Planetary protection is another key consideration. The mission must ensure that Earth-based microbes are not introduced into Venus's atmosphere. This is critical to preserving the integrity of Venus's environment. Whether or not life is found, the Venus Life Finder mission represents a bold step forward in the search for life. With just 5 minutes in Venus's atmosphere, the mission has the potential to make history. It shows how private companies can contribute to planetary science and push the boundaries of what is possible. As humanity reaches further into the cosmos, the answers to our biggest questions may be closer than we think. The Venus Life Finder mission is just the beginning of a new era of discovery. Whether or not we find life, the journey itself will teach us more about our universe and ourselves. This mission is a testament to human curiosity and ingenuity. It reminds us that no matter how far we've come, there is always more to explore.